What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to save a post on Reddit. Now if you don't know what I'm talking about, there is a function that Reddit added where you could just hit a button, and what it's going to do is save the post under this separate category that you could access at any time, and all your saved posts are going to be under there. If you're on social media apps such as Instagram or Twitter, you'll already know about this, just being able to save photos and look at them again at any other time you want. So I'm just going to go to this random post right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to see the little three dots that are kind of in the upper right hand corner of the post, parallel to the subreddit name at the top there. You're going to hit on that. And the second option that's going to be pulling up on this menu here is going to be an option to save it. You're going to hit that, and a little notification at the bottom there is going to show that you've saved the post. Then what you're going to do is hit your profile picture in the upper left-hand corner, and you'll see at that menu about 7 or 8 options down, there is a saved post option, and this is what I'm talking about. It's going to take you to this feed right here where it says saved at the top, and then there is posts and comments. You could save posts or comments under this section, and you could see the post now that I just saved there, and then some other posts are going to be below it that I saved. They are in chronological order of the time you saved them, not the time that they were posted, in case you were wondering about that. That is all I got for you today, though. If you were confused or you had any questions on how this worked, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.